So congratulations to England. They won 2-1 to Norway. The match not really easy for Sharp. The match was tough, but Norway really tried. Even though say they defeat them for this match, they really show say at least they organized come for this World Cup this time around. But congratulations to England, because you know really now them be the better team. They really want win this World Cup than Norway. Norway won't win am, but England need them pass Norway because they never win am before. So England they try their best to win this Norway to win this World Cup. So congratulations to them, Sha. I don't know whether you observe anything for the match.
For the first half, the game was more in control of Norway because they executed their game plan very well. They defended very well and waited for counter attack, of which how they get the first goal where they score. So, but still, England showed the higher mentality and winning mentality that they want to win, and of which everybody say England get more players we get high mentality, high quality, high mentality to win. So now the main thing there, not for, in control. Even as they enter second half, Norway was still more in control of the game, of which because they don't finish their chances. Now why they don't do anything. So now when they enter extra time, so the high mentality players like Bellingham can't still kick more. So now why they win Norway. So the game was like very good. Norway executed their game plan very well, defend and counter.
Yeah, they really tried.
Just that they couldn't convert their chances. In the other hand, England did not show more of dominance and how they used to do, but because of resilience and their mentality, so that's what helped them to win the game. But let's talk about that particular player. We'll talk about Bellingham. In this World Cup, that guy don't score 6 goals, 1 assist.
One of the best midfielders.
He don't score 6 goals, 1 assist. Opposing a midfielder, in being they compete with strikers.
Yeah, they really come up for England for every time where they really need action.
But that's what the World Cup brings. That's what the World Cup brings. So congratulations to England in advancing. So we will know who they go meet between Argentina and Spain.
Switzerland.
Argentina and Switzerland, sorry. So we will know who they go meet between Argentina and Switzerland. Let's watch out for Argentina and Switzerland next.